As Gigabyte brings AORUS into the motherboard DIY market, the AORUS Z270X-Gaming 9 is set to be the flagship. We're very happy here at Gigabyte, and we have Leon here to introduce us about the product. However, the gaming players are caring about the actual performance of the product. So Leon, please tell us more about the actual performance of the product.
So here's our AORUS Z270X-Gaming 9. There's a lot of features on it, and we're going to go over them very briefly just to show you the reason why it became the flagship motherboard. Right here you can see we have a water block, and this is produced in cooperation with EK Water Blocks, a very powerful vendor and well-known vendor in the European market. We also have RGB features that we talked about earlier, so LED diffusers across and between the DIMM slots, as well as on the edge of the motherboard. All of these features accent the lighting that you see on the system behind us right now. So we also have a variety of connectivity options, from our USB 3.1 Type-C, our USB 3.1, and of course wireless. As everyone's using wireless nowadays, this does support wireless AC as well as Bluetooth 4.2.
So among all the features we see on the AORUS Z270X-Gaming 9, which of the feature you would like to emphasize is the most important or interesting?
So we do have a lot of features on the board, Eric. We have features from our liquid cooling, from our fan cooling, our hybrid fan pin headers, and our RGB technology. So all of these features are built on, but one of the key ones that we want to emphasize right now is definitely our RGB technology. It's based off of our RGB Fusion software, which allows you to control all of the lighting on board through your operating system. Now you can actually see on the system behind me, the RGB Fusion technology encompasses both the armor as well as the memory portion, so we can sync with other manufacturers and have their lights flash the same as ours with the similar patterns. One of the other things we've incorporated with RGB Fusion is the ability to use LED pin strips, LED strips. So right now we have connected RGB W strips, which we have support for W. No other manufacturer does out there in the market, and one of the benefits of our pin headers is that they're actually interchangeable. So you can actually change the RGB to different orientations based off of the parts that you find out in the market that don't fit market standards.
Wow, that is indeed very cool. I think there is a bright future in this gaming market. So Leon, tell us more about, from Gigabyte's perspective or from AORUS' perspective, what is your future strategy in this market?
So definitely for AORUS or Gigabyte, our plans for this product line is AORUS is our premium, high-end premium gaming brand. So you'll see more and more components like the ones you see behind me on graphics cards, motherboards, all with the AORUS branding. The reason behind this is we wanted to differentiate from what you see on the Gigabyte segment. So all the ultra durable, the overclocking, we wanted to make a clean and simple cut, and users can see that if they wanted to go gaming, if they want anything as a flagship product, they would go directly to that AORUS brand. Now, AORUS still has the core values that users will find in Gigabyte, such as our quality components, our emphasis and our dedication to research and development, as well as all of the different things that users have come to find in a Gigabyte product, they'll find in an AORUS product.